Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing this look that you just seen in the intro, and honestly I'm so happy with it. It came out so perfect. First we are priming our eyes with the Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion, and be sure to subscribe to this video before we go any further. Thank you. Next we're going in with the PROFUSION SIENNAS palette, and we're taking the shade Dynasty on this Sigma E40 brush, and I'm like packing it on the inner and outer corner and then blending it into the crease afterwards. I blend this shade so long. I'm just going to fast forward through it. This was like at least like 5 minutes of blending. Like, I cannot believe I blended this shade for this long. And guess what? I'm still freaking blending. I just don't get it. I don't understand why I blended it for this long. And then we're just going to take this mustard yellow shade after all that blending and blend some more. We're going to take it on the same brush and blend out the orange shade with this mustard yellow shade to create more of a transition, I guess. I just like how it fades, to be honest. And then we're going to take this shade called Dapper, and we're going to pack it on the inner and outer corners as well as blend it into the crease, you know, standard halo steps. So yeah, and I'm sorry for all the halo looks. I just have them in my head and I just love the dimension of halos, to be honest. And then we're going into this deeper maroon shade called Madly, and we're going to place it in the inner and outer corners. I do a lot of this with different colors so I can get a really good blend. And then we're going into the Soft Glam palette, and we're taking the shade Cypress Umber and really deepening the crease in the inner and outer corners just to create that really deep dimension. For our lid shade, I really did not know which shade I want to use, but we're going to go in with the shade Tickle and place that on the lid wet with setting spray and a flat brush. And then we're going to take the shade Conquest and just pop that right in the center so we can like highlight the lid a little bit. And to highlight the brow bone, we are going to use the shade Exclusive. And we're going to go in with this Sigma Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, which I found at TJ Maxx. And we're just going to do a winged liner using a Sigma brush. I'm not sure which one it is. I will link it in the description box down below. I'm sorry, I don't feel like getting up. I'm in my bed and I'm very comfortable. And you guys, I just want to thank you for, you know, supporting me, since you know this liquid lighter is gonna take me a second. I just want to thank you for supporting me and always coming back to my videos if you are a subscriber, and it just all really means so much to me and I can't be more grateful. For lashes, I'm going to link her Instagram name down below. You can get it from there. For, what is this called? Mascara, we're using Buxom Big T's mascara. primer, we're using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation Primer. Patting that into the skin as it suggests to on the bottle. I can't say the word suggest. I love this moisturizer. This is the Aqua Fresh. I believe it says that. I can't read that right now. But it's the Aqua Fresh from Patchology, and I'm just massaging that into my skin with a Real Techniques stippling brush. And then we're going to be going into the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is a shade Beige, and I'm just using it on a cracked beauty sponge. I know it's a little bit yellow for me because my color has neutralized a lot. So, but yeah, I'm not going to say what I think about this foundation because I do have a review coming up. For concealer, just using the one that I'm obsessed with right now, which is the CATRICE Liquid Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. Forget what shade it is. I'm so sorry, guys. I just suck right now. For bronzer and contour, pretty much bronze tour, we're going to use the Sigma NIGHTLIFE Limelight Bronzer. Yep, and just contour my face, my forehead, my nose, everything. And right here, I was going to contour my jawline, and I was like, ooh, I can actually see my jawline. I lost a lot of weight, guys. I was really surprised. For a highlighter, we're going to be mixing together two. This is the OFRA NIKKIE Tutorials Blind the Haters highlighter. And then we're going to dip into the medium shade in the Everglow and just top that off with that. As always, I kept it simple on the lower lash line and just went into the shade Dapper and blended it out underneath. I'm just taking some of that shimmer, no, it's called Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Sigma and placing it right there in my inner lash line, I guess. And of course, ZULU from COLOURPOP. Some more Big T's mascara from Buxom. I'm kind of liking this mascara really much for my lower lashes. Blush, we are going in with the Sigma NIGHTLIFE blush in the shade HOTSPOT and just blushing our cheeks. For lips, we are going in with the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist lipstick and lip liner little collection. I will list the shades down below, but oh my gosh, this lip liner is like one of the creamiest ever, and honestly the lipstick is just as good, so I definitely highly recommend these. And that is the finished look, you guys. I really appreciate you coming by and watching this makeup tutorial. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video.